I do have a question, because we have an audience here and I can ask you and you can say yes. Does anyone have any ask-holes in their life? You know, those people that ask you for something or ask you for advice and you give it to them and then they just do the opposite thing? Yes. Yeah, right. Or do you have another example that's very common? Do you have a TV show that asks you to go on the TV show and then when you finally do go on the TV show, they make it out like you can't sing, or they make it out like you're a cow and you're a really horrible person? You know those people? I think the DJ knows those people. The sun is still going to come up tomorrow.
I don't feel like you're listening to any of our advice.
So you're saying that the producers came to you and said, we want you to come on the show and audition?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't realise it worked like that.
Wow. The show in itself was an incredible experience, and I don't regret it. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I'm so supported and loved by everyone that knows me and everyone that, even a lot of people that don't know me.
I have never been the one to feed into the drama. I don't need to make a scene cause I believe in karma. You think I'm quiet but I'm lining up to shoot it. You're so hard to swallow then your mama couldn't do it. Win isn't in. Got too much to say about the scars on my skin. You're a has-been sitting in a chair that spins, giving opinions. I ain't listening. Open invitation, know your trolls come through. Keep hating, now I'm trending cause of you. Something about all the facts you hardly know. Running your mouth like it's your only cardio.
Even if you don't, they'll come for ya. They'll come for ya. Even if I will it, even if I won't, they'll come for ya. They'll come for ya.
Even if you do the right thing, even if you like to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back, go say, go say, go say, you got nothing on me. Even if you do the right thing, even if you like to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back, go say, go say, go say, you got nothing on me.
You're a bigger man, huh? Especially when it ain't your jam, huh? Hey, but I've been running around in all the wrong places, all facing my original tainted. My core's making now is 1 step forward and 3 steps back. I keep running around in circles falling through these cracks. My teeth gripping my tongue, no breath deep in my lung. I need nothing but the truth, but it keep leaving undone. So open invitation, let my ego come through. Run amok, then bounce like Zeus. Something about all the facts I hardly know. Run through my mind like it's my only cardio.
Even if you don't,
They'll come for ya, they'll come for ya. Even if I will it, even if I won't, they'll come for ya.
Do the right thing.
You try to cause a little drama, even if you try to fight back, go say, go say, go say, you got nothing on me. Even if you do the right thing, even if you try to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back, go say, go say, go say. Cause I got all the love you sent to me. So let the haters be. I know the sun will still be rising tomorrow.
thank you for the love you sent to me. So let the haters be, cause the sun will still be shining tomorrow.
Even if you do the right thing, even if you like to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back,
Go say, go say, go say,
You got nothing on me.
even if you do the right thing,
Do the right thing.
even if you like to cause a little drama, even if you like to fight back, go say, go say, go say. Hey, the love you sent to me. So, ladies and gentlemen, from your seats, sway with me. Sway with me to your left, to your right, to your left, to my left, to the left. Go say, go say, go say, you got nothing on me. COVID hug. Where did you come from?
Everywhere.
This is my best friend, Citizen K. Yeah. And my ladies, Acacia and Han.